Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to sign into Google Drive using your Google account. Signing in to Google Drive lets you access all of your files, documents and shared content from anywhere on any devices. So first of all, open the Google Drive application on your device and then get ready to enter your Google account's credentials. You need to sign in with your email or phone number associated with your Google account to sign in to Google Drive. Go ahead and write down any email address in the text box. Once done, click Next. On the next page, you'll be asked to type in your password. Type down your Google account's password correctly. After typing down your password, click on Next. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on the Forgot Password link and follow through the reset process. Finally, after tapping Next, you'll be logged into your Google Drive account. That's how you successfully sign in to Google Drive using your Google account. Now you can access all of your important files from anywhere. If this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to like, comment and share it. And of course, subscribe for more safe and easy Google Drive tutorials. I'll see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.